Hello everyone, I am here with the entire range of MyTVS tire inflators, right from the smallest to the most powerful. Today we are going to talk about their features and which one is the most suitable for your vehicle. Let's start with their common features, and the first and the most obvious is they are all tire inflators. The second common feature is all wired inflators come with 3-meter long wire that can easily reach any tire of the car. Free and complimentary set of nozzles that you can use to inflate any inflatable object. Bright LED torch feature to brighten any dark emergency situation. And obviously MyTVS reliable warranty up to 2 years. Let's check out one by one in detail. MyTVS Air Light, the lightweight and compact tire inflator that is specially designed for two-wheelers and small cars. Comes with an analog meter, LED torch and a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. To connect with any two-wheeler, just use this provided adapter cable. MyTVS Air Champ, a champion to inflate all car tires easily, be it your hatchback, sedans or compact SUV. This champion inflates everything within minutes, and it comes with a lightweight and compact design. Has an intelligent storage space at the back to easily house air pipe or a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. Has an analog meter. MyTVS Air Champ Digi, the digital champion to inflate any car tires, be it hatchback, sedans or even compact SUVs. Whatever pressure you require, just set it and forget it. Comes with a lightweight body and a compact size. Thus houses an intelligent storage space at the back to keep air pipe and the 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. MyTVS Air Thunder that generates 150 psi of thunderous air pressure to inflate any car model, even for SUVs, within minutes. Comes with a heavy-duty metal body which is long-lasting and durable in any tough physical conditions. Has a very bright LED torch to lighten up any emergency situation. An analog meter to give you accurate reading of what is the tire pressure. A smartly designed foldable handle to carry anywhere you go. MyTVS Air Thunder Digi comes with a thunderous, powerful motor that can inflate any car tire within minutes, even for SUVs. Also, it comes with a very special digital auto cutoff feature. Whatever pressure you require, just set it and forget it. It will automatically cut off at that pressure level. Comes with a heavy-duty metal body, which is long-lasting and durable in any condition. Has a powerful LED torch that can brighten up your situation in any emergency. A very smartly designed foldable carry handle to take anywhere you go. MyTVS Air Monster, the inflator designed specially for big SUV tires, combines the power of two inflators into one with this dual-cylinder technology. It has a powerful motor that generates a monstrous 150 psi of air pressure that can inflate even a SUV tire within minutes. Heavy-duty metal body that is designed for heat insulation to provide long life and durability for any tough situations. A very bright LED torch to brighten up any dark emergency situation. Inbuilt analog meter to provide accurate tire pressure reading. MyTVS Air Go, the wireless tire inflator that has an inbuilt 4000 mAh battery and needs no external power supply. Comes with a smart digital auto cutoff feature. Whatever pressure you require in your tire, just set it and forget it. You can use it to inflate any car, bike, scooter, football, bicycle, anything, any inflatable object. It has a smart mobile charging power bank feature as well. It has a specially designed multi-function rotary dial. Comes with a flasher and LED light to save you in any emergency situations. MyTVS Jump and Pump that comes with a 3-in-1 emergency function. Number 1, battery jump start any car. Number 2, digital auto cutoff tire inflator for any car or two-wheeler. Number 3, has an inbuilt 10,000 mAh battery with a mobile charging power bank. Powerful LED torch with SOS functionality. MyTVS Superlift that comes with 2-in-1 functionality of an electric jack and a tire inflator combined into one device. A powerful motor that generates 150 psi of air pressure to inflate any car tire easily. Just press one button and the car is lifted in the air very easily. Another press of a button and the tire inflation begins, has smartly designed inbuilt storage compartment for air pipe and the wires, inbuilt analog meter to accurately measure the tire pressure levels, solid build with high quality finish, and ergonomically designed carry handle. MyTVS Dual Pro comes with 2-in-1 functionality of a car vacuum cleaner and a tire inflator in one gadget. Slide the button forward and it turns into a car vacuum cleaner. Take the same button backward and it turns into a tire inflator. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with multiple attachments to reach any corner of your car and pick the dirt out. Comes with a premium high-quality HEPA filter which is washable and reusable. The powerful motor that turns it into a tire inflator when plugged in inflates your car tire within minutes, and obviously MyTVS reliable warranty up to 2 years.